and had a marginal revenue 10. So this is MR. What is the average revenue per unit and how many units were sold? You need to find out average revenue and quantity. So can you find out?
D.
Okay, we have D. Others?
I also say D.
Well done. Because AR is equal to MR is equal to P, so it must be the AR. 10 must be the AR, and how many? And this must be the price. So we have 10 price. We need to find out quantity. How we can do that? 1, 0, 0 cancel here. The quantity is equal to 100. That's it. All right, 1000 by 10 is equal to 100. Now, the profit maximization condition. So up till now, what we have discussed? We have discussed the revenue structure of competitive firm. The revenue structure is AR is equal to MR is equal to P. All right, and now, and where we need to produce? Where every total cost is minimum. So that would be our total cost. So if we minus from total revenue to total cost, we have a profit. But if we are in competitive market, our goal is to maximize the profit. So economist, how you can find out the maximum profit? Here we go. We have quantity, we have total revenue. Right? Quantity and we have total revenue. This is not the price. This is the total revenue. If you want to find out the price is 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. All right. And this is the total cost. All right. So this is the total cost. This is the total revenue. All right. Total cost minus total revenue is the profit. So total cost minus total revenue minus total cost. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 12 minus 8, 4. 18 minus 12, 6. Similarly, 24 minus 17, 7. 30 minus 23, 7. 36 minus 6, 4, and 7. So where our profit is maximum? Where our profit is maximum? Can you find out? Our profit is maximum either by producing 4 units or either by producing 5 units. Now we are confused. How much we need to produce? Either we need to produce 4 units or either we need to produce 5 units. 5 gallons. Right? Now we are confused because on the same output, we have same profit. And amazingly, if we produce more, our profit declines. So that layman concept that I told you, the profit doesn't mean that if you sell more, you have more profit. You see, you are selling 8 gallons and you are getting only 1 profit here. Maybe it's in 1,000 or million, whatsoever, but only 1. The profit is 1. And that is the same as producing, that is same as producing 1 gallon. So why you go for extra efforts, hire people, take so much stress and produce 8 gallons and get the same profit, $1, $1. Similarly, you are producing either 4 gallon or 5 gallon, the profit is the same. But in reality, this is not like you are producing 8 gallons or 8 units or something. In reality, this is like 1,000 rows and 1,000 rows or maybe more than that. This is a whole bunch of Excel sheet. So lucky we have get a condition where this is proven and this is tested 1,000 times. So our profit is maximum. You can find out directly our profit is maximum where MC is equal to MR. What is MC? Marginal cost. What is MR? Marginal revenue. So our profit is maximum where MC is equal to MR. MC is equal to MR. This condition will tell us where we need to produce, where we have maximum profit or minimum, two sides of the same coin, minimum cost or maximum profit. Normally we call this Qmax. So did you notice something here? So what is the formula for marginal revenue? Marginal revenue formula is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Since this is competitive market, so price, AR and MR is the same. So it is 666. We'll talk about that over in our previous is 666. All right. Price is equal to AR is equal to MR. What about the MC? MC is equal to change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So change in total cost. Cost is here. Change in total cost. So how we get this 2? 5 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. Where we get this 3? 12 minus 6 divided by 8 minus 5. All right. Where this we get this 8? 42 minus 36 divided by 7. 7 minus. Total cost over total. Total cost divided by change in quantity. So I think this will be make mistake here. Okay. Where we get this 2? 2 is here. 5 minus 3 divided by 1 minus 0. Yes. 1 minus 0. And where we get this 3? 3 is 12 minus 6 divided by, wait a second, total cost. No, sorry, my bad. Where we get this 3? Total cost. 8 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 1. Where we get this 5? Here. 17 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 6. Where we get this 8? You see, marginal always written at the middle of these 2 points. So this is also marginal, this is also marginal. That's why we are marking here. So where is the change in total cost? Total cost is here. It is 38 minus 30 divided by 7 minus 6. All right, here we go. So economists told us you need to produce where MC is equal to MR. When you produce at this condition, your profit will be maximum. So where MC is equal to MR? You see this? And if this, it means you need to produce where So let's see that. This is the MC is equal to MR. All right. So rather going to scanning all the Excel sheet or all the software where we need to produce where we have the maximum profit, and you find out, okay, where we need to produce either 4 or either 5. All right. Remember this. This is in the middle, so you can choose both, either 4 or either 5. All right. So at this quantity, you have a maximum profit where we need to produce in the middle of 4 and 5. All right. Guys, you understand? Nicholas, Marco, Oliver, Nana,
Yes, sir.
Varun, Venetia, Om, Priscillo, Donsela,
Yes, sir.
Ella.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, profit maximization concept. This is the managerial discussion. If you're a manager or if you are running your own business, right? You call your accountant or economist or your production manager. What will be the title here? You call it and just find out what is my MR and what is my MC. If MR is greater than MC, increase the production here. If MR is greater than MC at every level here, see something? MR greater than MC, MR greater than MC.